What's up, guys? We're gonna do stereotypes for types of hikers. Let's get into the first one.
Oh wow! Now, family, what you see here is a special kind of fungi that's only derivative of places like Norway, even though we're in Georgia. So if you look closely and really enjoy nature, you'll see how everything on God's green earth reminds you of an animal. For example, don't you see the platypus in this tree? Okay. Oh, no, that's just another pine tree limb.
Oh, God.
I knew we should have brought toilet paper.
Are we there yet? So tired. I haven't even got any water. I have to go to the bathroom. I'm hungry. I want to watch a movie. I want to watch YouTube. Are we there yet?
Wait, did we come this way or are we going this way? All these trees sort of look alike. Oh well, I guess this is right. This is incredible. I mean, what a workout. We've done at least like 150 miles today, and just in the last 12 minutes.
Did you know my ex-cousin Jeffy came on this trail and he died by a great grizzly bear right at this trail? Don't you see? The green blood represents the blood.
Whoa there.
Hey, how you doing? I'm fine. I'm fine, I promise.
Okay.
Oh well, just trying to get fresh air. Rompo uno rosa y no te encuentro. Aviento así. ¿Cuáles son los olores?
Vamos!
Oh, get down. You're gonna get termites and maggots and worms and snakes and beetles and coyotes and you're gonna get something. Just get off. No! Pine trees carry rabies. Okay, so I'm definitely convinced now that this is the exact trail that the Cherokee Indians came on just a few hundred years ago, a few thousand years ago, because this red piece of plastic has got to be part of their old arrowheads.
Okay, well, almost done with the trip, so let's see. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't really need that. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, need that. Okay.
All right, let's take a photo of this hiking experience. Say, I love to hike.
I love to hike.
So I could totally see us like camping here and pinching a tent because we are so isolated from society, like there's nothing around us.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will be at you with more stereotypes. Peace out.